How to set the side button double press to open voice recorder on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Advanced Features. After click on Advanced Features, scroll down and click on Side button. After click on Side button, click on double press. And if you want to click Side button and open voice recorder, so click on Open Voice Recorder. You will see. After the process, go back to home screen. After the process, press Side button, double press. You will see recording open. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set the side button double press to open voice recorder on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.